I'm just going to give you a video walk round of this lovely Land Rover Defender 90 we've just got in stock. Very high spec. It's the D250 3-litre diesel auto. It's the X-Dynamic HSE. Lovely spec, black leather, panoramic roof, 360 cameras, heated steering wheel, plus full MHEV styling. Let's start at the back corner and we will carefully show you around. So we've got the tailgate spoiler, full black pack, mud flaps, brand new 22-inch SVR style wheels with Renegade mud and snow tyres, side steps. Really looks the part. Painted red calipers, all colour coded. Black badging, front and rear sensors as well as the 360 cameras. It's a one owner vehicle and it's done 8,700 miles and it looks like a brand new vehicle. No dings and scratches, it is super. Obviously remainder of Land Rover's warranty. 5-seater. Right, let's move to the back. Also, this one's got electric tow bar, which I'll just show you the button inside the boot area. Rear tonneau cover, 60-40 split folding rear seats. There's your button there for the electric tow bar. And it's like new in there, no scratches anywhere. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Full specification, loads of photos. It's got blind spot monitoring, by the way. It just popped up there in the mirror. Meridian sound system. Power folding door mirrors. Fully electric seats with electric lumbar. These are heated and cooling. Multifunction steering wheel. Black headliner. Electric sunblind, so it's a tilt and slide panoramic roof. Let's just pull this seat down, show you in the back. Isofix seat belt fittings on the two outer seats and rear armrest. Carpet mats, no marks at all in there, it's super. As I'm doing this video, we've got 3 black 90 Defenders in stock. The other 2 will be put on tomorrow, or definitely this week. But this one's already ready to go. Full book pack, 2 keys, full HPI report. It does look like a new one. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please give us a call at the showroom. We'll answer any questions for you. If you would like any finance quotations or you have a part exchange. Thanks for watching.